Right, here goes then. Hopefully, the last pallet for a while.
Assouplir ton cafard, mon amour, et l'endormir. Tu murmures ce vieil air de blues pour l'endormir, pour l'endormir. Ce sont les regards des vierges couleurs d'ailleurs, l'indolence dolente des crépuscules. C'est la scène pleurant de clair de lune. Je dis le long solo, une longue mélopée.
Apologies, wind's blowing in the wrong direction today, so I've got a lot of noise, traffic from the bypass. I just thought I was going to take a minute, just talk about the two tools I've mainly been using for breaking up pallets. And you can see the top one here is a pallet buster. I've said before in videos, I don't use Amazon. I don't like Amazon and I won't use it. So I eBay a lot, and I probably eBay stuff that people have bought from Amazon, but it's my conscience. So I got a pallet buster. I bought this during COVID. It cost me about £30, but I tell you now, it's worth its weight in gold. This thing has gone through so many pallets to be unbelievable. It brings nails out straighter. I don't get as much splintering and breaking from wood as I did when I was using like a hammer or a crowbar. If you are looking to make things from pallet wood and you're going to be breaking down a number of pallets, I really recommend just Google like pallet buster, pallet wrecking tool. As I say, £30. And then the tool below it, just a standard crowbar. And I didn't buy this. This is a legacy from my dad. You can pick a 2-foot one. I think this is slightly bigger than 2 foot. Up on eBay for about £8. And when you're looking to remove those nails, it's fantastic. And obviously I use it for loads of other things as well. So yeah, 2 tools that I really recommend. A decent pallet buster and a decent crowbar, 40 quid all in, and you're set up to strip down pallets. So a much nicer day today. Sun's out, crocuses, snowdrops all out. Right, that pallet came to get apart really well. A few nails to remove. Let's see how we get on with those. Okay, and that is, I think, the last pallet for now, stripped down. 2 broken stretchers, ignore those, odds and sods. 11, some splintering towards the end, but the majority of it is okay. And most importantly, 4 more runners, all of which got every nail out apart from one. The last nail, no, in fact the penultimate nail didn't come out. Took the head off it. I'm not going to waste time trying to get it out. I know the length of those. I can afford to just chop the bit with the nail in it off, so shouldn't be a problem. So that's it then. From that, I want a workbench. I've got about 8 foot of 40mm by 190mm there on the left. I've got about 30 foot of 40 by 90mm. I've got 5 or 6 pallet loads of runners and a whole load of stretchers. And then the more observant of you might notice it's all sitting on a pallet that hopefully is going to be my base my foundation for the workbench, and if you're really observant, still unboxed, sat there in the middle, that's my wood lathe. I don't even know if I'm up to it, to be honest, but we're going to give it a good go, and we will see whether I end up with a workbench or firewood. The whole thing has cost me nothing other than fuel. I've driven around a few local light industrial estates, picked up pallets, and then all the stuff like the 40 by 190s, the 40s by 90s, all come out of skips. I've knocked doors. I always ask, can I have that? Can I pinch it? And I don't think anyone said no. I tell you what, I'm going to name and shame. No, I'm not. One builders merchants said, no, we do return our pallets, which is a good thing. So no harm, no foul there. Let me see if I'm organising today. So let me see if I can separate what I need for the frame and see whether I've got sufficient. I think I've got sufficient. What I would love, any comments. If you think X looks right for certain use, drop any advice in the comments section. Really appreciate it. Thanks. Watch this space. Wish me luck.